The following is a lecture on the topic Grihastha Ashram given by Shriman Kratudasji Adhikari, recorded in January 2017 in Pune.
Wonderful that you have decided to become Grihastha. It's not a bad idea. Srimad Bhagavatam starts with this subject, Grihamedi and Grihastha. Ata Prumbi Dvijasreshta Varnasrama Vibhagashaha Sunustitasya Dharmasya Samsiddhi Haritoshanam. Grihithako Varnithako Sada Hari बोलनिथाको. गृहस्थ हो, वानप्रस्थ हो, संन्यास हो, ब्रह्मचारी हो, या वर्ण ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र हो, the goal is same. What is that goal? Samsiddhi Haritoshanam. The goal एक है. Srimad Bhagavatam begins with Atat Prumbi Dvijasreshta Varnasram Vibhagashaha Sunusitasya Dharmasya Samsiddhi Haritoshanam. वर्ण हो या कुछ भी आश्रम, वर्णाश्रम या दैवी वर्णाश्रम, every living entity, doesn't matter, birds, beasts, trees, plants, every living entity have one and only one mission in the life, and that is to Samsiddhi Haritoshanam. That is to satisfy Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Hari, Krishna. Why is that so? Why? Every living entity has to satisfy, serve, surrender to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Why? 1, 2. Why? Why living entity has to serve and satisfy the Lord? Why? Just like this, Prabhupada gives beautiful example. This hand is part and parcel of this body. So it is in hand's interest to serve the body. If hand serves laddu to the body, hand is automatically peaceful, blissful, happy, satisfied. But if hand doesn't remain connected with the whole and doesn't serve the whole, then it is hand who will be suffering, not the body, not the whole. It is hand's natural constitutional position to serve the whole, whom he is part of. If he doesn't remain connected and serve, disconnected, useless. They'll throw hand away into garbage. Only value is garbage. Hand has no value. Plus, hand cannot remain peaceful, blissful, happy. Plus, it is as good as garbage. Nobody will keep that hand in the home which is disconnected, will it? Anybody will keep? Stinky and this is useless. So it is in hand's interest to remain connected with the whole who is part of, and it is in hand's interest to serve the whole. If hand is not able to serve the whole body, then that is hand's disease condition, paralyzed or sick. Hand is disease condition. Similarly, a living entity, birds, beast, plant, Buddha, creeper, human being, tiger, every living entity. Samsiddhi haritoshanam, because they are part and parcel of Krishna. They have to serve Krishna. Samsiddhi haritoshanam. गुहे ताको वन्य ताको सदा हरि बोले नाच नरपति गोपी भर्तुर भत कमलयो दास दासानुदास. I, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I am brahmachari, grahastha, vanprastha, sannyas, brahman, vaishya, sudra. एक ही काम, सदा हरि बोलने तक. To serve Krishna around the clock. Only एक काम, दूसरा काम नहीं. This principle we must establish in our heart forever. Why? Because we are part and parcel of Krishna. This is external upadhi, designation, external designation. I am sannyasi, I am grahastha, vanaprastha, brahmachari. External. Internal, we are spirit soul. So, being spirit soul, the first and foremost principle and duty is that we must serve whom we are part and parcel of. That is Krishna. Samsiddhi haritoshanam. Just like example, if a child is lost and you give him everything, clothing, food, shelter, everything, he will not be happy. But if you take him back to his mom, total package of happiness, perfect package of happiness. Isn't it? Why? Because a child is part and parcel of his mother. So, a child is on the lap of mother, khana hai sahi, nahi khana hai sahi. Blissful, peaceful, happy. The same way, a spirit soul being part and parcel of Krishna, unless he goes back to Krishna, he cannot be happy. Savai punso paro dharmo yato bhaktir adokshajay aitu kya pratiyata yai atma samprasiddhati. Why? Because this question was asked in the beginning, 6, 7 sloka, 8 sloka, first chapter. Punsam ekantata sreya samsthitam arhasi संस्तुतम अरहमसी. जन सामान्य का कल्याण कैसे हो, ये हमें बताइए. श्रेयस, पुंसाम मीन्स लिविंग एंटिटी. पुंसाम एकांत topmost bliss. How a living entity can have total supreme bliss? Please tell us that. So the answer is Savai Punso Paro Dharmo Yato Bhaktir Adokshajay Aitu Kya Pratiyata Yai Atma Samprasiddhati. Apratiyata. Brahmachari ban ke sannyas, brahmachari becomes sannyas Oh, I have attained everything. No more Samsiddhi Haritosha. No more serving Krishna. I am Krishna, I am God. Most of the sannyasi thinks like that. I am God. You are not God. Aham Brahmasmi. Sarvedam idam kal Brahma. Mayavadi sannyasi think they are not Narayan. I am Narayan. Om Namo Narayana. And that is me. Wrong conception. Ahituki apratiyata. Constantly, no Narayan, no Aham Narayan. Narayan is different than me. Narayan is Supreme Personality of Godhead. And I am minute living entity. And I am his part and parcel, so it is my eternal duty to serve him, just like hand. Eternal duty. हाथ में लड्डू, सर में लड्डू, नाक पे लड्डू, कान पे लड्डू, सब जगह लड्डू. समसिद्धि, शरीर, सरल. Laddu, sir laddu to nose, sir laddu to ear, sir laddu to head, sir laddu. No seva. It is not a seva. Laddu, you have to serve the whole body here. So automatic. यथातरोर्मूल निषेचनेन तृप्यन्ति तद स्कंद भुजोपशाखा प्राणोपचारेण यथेन्द्रियाणाम. सब इंद्रिया स्टमक में रख लिया, सारी इंद्रियां तृप्त. इसी तरह प्राणोपचारेण यथेन्द्रियाणाम. सब इंद्रिया, एवरी इंद्रिया, all senses are totally satisfied. Total satisfaction. But आँख पे लड्डू, कान पे लड्डू, नाक पे लड्डू, सर पे लड्डू, no yathendriya. Similarly, Krishna is sum total of everything. And that's why everything must serve Krishna. Then everything automatically gets satisfied. Automatically. That's why Atta Pumbi Dvijasreshta Varnasrama Vibhagasha Sunusitastu Dharmash Samsiddhi Haritoshanam. So then Bhagavatam describes that Kalo Yasmin Yuge Jana Manda Sumanda Matayo Manda Bhagya Upadruta Sumanda Matayo Mandamati Buddhu Mandamati Buddhu and Sumandamati Buddhu Kabab. Sumandamati. Isn't it? Simple language. Mandamati Buddhu, Mati Buddhi. Mandamati means retarded. Mandamati means retarded. And Sumandamati means Buddhu Kabab. तो ऐसे लोग हैं कल युग में. कलो अस्मिन युगे जन. We are all very, very less intelligent. Even though you may be IT and IIT and IAS, CMCA, BA, still we are Buddha. Why? Because we are born in Kali Yuga. Why? Because कोई कम बुद्धू, कोई ज्यादा बुद्धू, कोई बुद्धू का बाप, लेकिन बुद्धता है. संसिद्धि हरितोषी सोए पुंसो पर धर्मी दो भक्तों दक्षिण. आयतु की अपेक्षा ये आत्मा संप्रसिद्ध थी. आयतु की सेवा without any expectation of any kind. My dear Lord, I want to serve you out of my love, out of my gratitude for you. I want to serve you. So, गृहे थाको वन्य थाको, वानप्रस्थ या संन्यास या कोई भी योनि में, any living entity, any body, and anybody and everybody must serve Krishna in order to get totally satisfied. Sansiddhi Haritosha. This is the first principle. Then Bhagavatam says further that Gruheshu Griham-medina. How that sloka goes? I will recall. गृहेषु गृहमेधिना. कलयुग के गृहस्थों की बात describes about the householder in age of Kali Yuga. श्रोतव्यादि राजेंद्र अपश्यताम आत्मतत्वम गृहेषु गृहमेधि. अपश्यताम आत्मतत्वम गृहेषु गृहमेधिना. So we don't have to become grihamedhi. What is grihamedhi means? Apashyatam atmatattvam. Those grahasthas, those householders who doesn't see apashyata. अरे भैया मेरी आंखें हैं, I am seeing. I have eyes, I am seeing. But Bhagavatam says you are blindfolded. You don't see. You are blinded. You are blind. Apashyata. Atma Tattva. Atma. Krishna Paramatma. Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. And I am poor living entity. That they don't see. Apashyatam Atma Tattva. Griheshu Grihamedina. Griheshu. Householder. Grihamedina. And then what do you say? Indriya. Indriya. Riyate Naktam. Vavayana Chavavaya. Divacharjaya Rajam. Kutumba Bharanenava. This is all. Srimad Bhagavatam is talking about grahastha, not sannyas, brahmachari. This is all artificial. The real ashram is grahastha ashram. Real ashram is grahastha ashram. Why? Because a brahmachari can fall, a sannyasi can fall, but grahastha can never fall. ISKCON institution can become totally stabilized. Stabilized. Fall means unstable. So we have seen brahmachari have fallen to become grahastha. We have seen that. No. We have seen sannyasi falling. But have you seen any grahastha falling? Fallen grahastha? any grahastha fall? Huh? What? Joseph, I cannot hear this here. Only this here. And you talking to me this way. Not this way. Still I cannot hear. I am loud enough? Am I loud enough? So become loud like that.
They may go out of devotional service.
They may go out of devotional service, but they will pick it up. They will pick it up. Because they will be slapped by wife and wife's bad words, and mother-in-law and father-in-law will come after that, and big army, and I'm only one. I'm sorry. माफ कीजिए मेरी भूल हो गई. मैं behave करूँ. I will be behaving myself now onwards. I shall surrender unto you. She will come with the whole army. Stri means expansion. Stri, what is the meaning of Stri, Sanskrit word? One who expands. Very good. Stri means one who expands. Before expansion, she will ask you, before marrying, have you got apartment? Have you got car? How much you earn? She will ask. And then she will ask you, first you fall at my lotus feet. You don't know this. In America, if boy wants to marry a girl, a boy has to fall down at her lotus feet. Please, 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 can you please marry me? Please, I'm your, please. You will have to beg her. You will have to pray, victim. And you will have to pray. Please, marry me. You have to fall at her lotus feet. So, a grahastha can never fall. Grahastha can never fall. He's already fallen in a ditch. And ditch is dal. And ditch is like quicksand. Quicksand. The more you want to come out, the more you go in. It's like dal. quicksand. The more you try to pull out of the sand, the more you go in. That is Griha, Andhakupam. Griha Andhakupam. Prahlad Maharaj. Griha Andhakupam. So, Griheshu Griha Medina. What is that verse? Griheshu Griha Medina. Nindraya Hriyate Naktam. Vavayena cha vavaya. Divachartaya Rajan Kutumba Bharanena. So Nindriya Hirate Naktam Vavaya. Vavaya means sex. Vavaya. The poor Grihamedi, during the night, he indulges in sex. And daytime he becomes an ass and works hard like an ass. Why? Kutumba Bharanena. Poor Grahastha. Poor Grahastha. Nighttime indulges in the sex life like donkeys. Donkey, sea donkey is kicking he donkey. And still he donkey is running, chasing after sea donkey. Victim. The poor Grahastha becomes victim of wife. Swamini. Swamini. आजकल क्या है? Swamini. My dear Swamini. Swamini won't say to your Swami, my Swami. Actually, husband should be addressed Swami. Ya Prabhu. Become Swamini. Nindraya hiyate naktam vavayana cha vavaya divachartaya raja kutumba bharanena. This is the position of Grihamedi, not you are. I know you will become pure devotee. And in scriptures, there are highly elevated devotees who are grahasthas, not sannyasi, not brahmachari. Only one brahmachari and grahastha, that is Narada Muni. Maybe Sanat Sanaka, Chatur Kumar. They are brahmachari. Huh? Who? Bhishma Dev. Good. Bhishma Pratigya. Bhishma Dev. लेकिन अनलिमिटेड प्योर डिवोटी परीक्षित महाराज, युधिष्ठिर महाराज, ध्रुव महाराज, प्रहलाद महाराज, अमरीश महाराज, जनक महाराज, महाराजों की लाइन लगी. एंड दे आर ग्रस्त आर रियल महाराज. सन्यासीज आर स्वामी, नॉट महाराज. सन्यासीज आर नॉट महाराज. दे आर महानाराज. महानाराज. महाराज. And Grahasthas are Maharaj. देखो प्रहलाद महाराज, ध्रुव महाराज, अमरीश महाराज, परीक्षित महाराज, है ना. लेकिन नारद मुनि महाराज का, नारद मुनि महाराज और सनत कुमार महाराज, सुखदेव गोस्वामी का क्या कहा? सुखदेव गोस्वामी. सुखदेव महाराज का. हमारी संस्था में उल्टा है. हम लोग महाराज हैं. हम वाइट महाराज. रियलिटी है. दिस इज रियलिटी. वी हैव टू अंडू दिस. वी हैव टू व्हाट? हमारी ताकत बढ़नी चाहिए. हम महाराज, रियल महाराज ग्रस्त. भागवत में कहीं भी देख लो महाराज शब्द आया, ग्रस्त. अब देख लीजिए, मैंने कई महाराजों का नाम दिया ना. अमरीश महाराज, ध्रुव महाराज, जनक महाराज एंड पृथु महाराज. थैंक यू. पृथु महाराज, नॉट नारद मुनि महाराज, नॉट चतुर कुमार महाराज, सुखदेव महाराज. Maybe we should continue with our trend in ISKCON. Only sannyasis are Maharaj. Grahastha can never be Maharaj. Wrong. Total wrong. Misconception. Joking with you. Yes. His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj, His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj, and so on and so forth. Let us not get too much into these jokes. He is joking, just to make it more, just like His Grace Gaurav Prabhu. He was giving everything in joking way. Of course, I'm a little more serious orator. I'm more serious kathakar. I don't know how to jokes around like that, but little bit. So, Divacharthaya Rajan Kutumba Varnino Vavayana Chavavaya. Grihamedi life, they indulge in sex during night. They are addicted. Grihamedis are addicted. Honey and liquor. They have to drink and then they have to indulge. And they want to gratify their senses. So much so that they become senile, retarded. Big nose, big fat face, and drinking and sex. Because they are so much distressful. So they take shelter of drink and sex. They take out their distress into these two things. That is Grihamedi. Ovaya Chavavaya Vivachartiya Rajan Kutumba Bharanenava. Kutumba Bharanenava. So that's not the aim, Kutumba Bharanenava. Chiti Chidiya, birds, beasts, elephant, they all fill their belly. They don't work hard like donkeys, like human beings. They get their food. They get their food. So we have to become grahastha. Grahastha. What is the duty of grahastha? Duty of grahastha is described. We will read a little further afterwards. So grahastha, of course, grahastha means a lot of boj. Just to satisfy one senses, you have to make all other senses donkey. That is grahastha. Grahastha life means a life of burden. Stree means expansion. Expands. If she comes by herself, that is good. Then you have to fulfill desire of yourself and fulfill desire of another person called wife. That's good enough. Limit, good enough. We can handle that. But then, Vavaya Putra, Parivar. So now you have to fulfill the desire of Putra, Putri. What to talk about Mabap? First you have to fulfill desire of your Mabap. So much expectation from you. If you are Grahastha, then your Mabap will be expecting so much from you. If they don't expect, then you will try to create so many desire to fulfill their desire. Oh, my father, mother should have good house. They should have good car. I should buy them a good car. I should buy them good insurance. Good this, good that. Grihamedi. You are trying to fulfill your desire, that is good enough, so much. Talk of war to fulfill one's desire. Now we have to fulfill desire of another person. And if you don't fulfill the desire of other person, then fighting, and not only fighting but biting. Not only biting but court. आजा कोर्ट में मैं देख लूंगी मैं तुझे कोर्ट में देख लूंगी. I'm just joking a little, but Grihastha life means you have to fulfill your own desire. Only one desire you have, sex. If you can control purposes, if you can control your sex and do your laundry, you don't need to get married. Very intelligent person. Very intelligent. You fulfill your own desire, life is simple and blissful, happy, peaceful. The minute you have somebody with you, two means sometime this and sometime kissing. Sometime. More time fighting. It can be other way. Sati. A wife is called Devi. Wife should be called Devi, and husband called Deva, Pati Dev, Patni Devi, Dasi. Then it's very beautiful life, wonderful life. Nice vyanjan, khana, nice everything. Pakka house, pakka sab. Grihini, Adarsh, Grihini, Adarsh, Grahastha. So Grahastha means you have to fulfill your desire and then you have to fulfill desire of wife. And then one goes, wife goes, then another child, you have to fulfill desire, then another child, another child, another child, and child ki katha, Nandi katha. Now, you have to fulfill desire of so many. And if you fulfill one desire, 10 desires will sprung up. So हो गया जाल, माया जाल. जाल means फंसना, फंसो. ब्रह्मचारी life, sannyasi life, मुक्त life. पंछी बनूं, उड़ते फिरूं, मस्त गगन में, आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में. और लाइट फ्लाइंग, पंछी लाइट हो गया, है ना. बट बोझ, another boss, third boss, and bus going below the earth planet, all the way down. That is grahastha. Not only family board, not only family burden, but any came to beg, you must give him. If you don't have nothing, at least you have to give one grain. But you have to give. Grahastha means you must give to 3 other class. Sannyas, Brahman, Brahmachari. Grahastha means give. You have to give. क्रांति देव, आखिरी में कुत्ता है. He has to give. So Grahastha life means life of responsibility. You have to take responsibility for just a little bit of sense gratification. You have to take so much responsibility. And then you have to fulfill so much desire. If you don't fulfill काम, then क्रोध. कामेश क्रोधेश रजोगुण समुद्भव. Passion, समुद्भव. महाशनो, महापापमा, विधेय वैरिना. A vairi. You have to understand that this lust is काम and क्रोध. क्रोध is born out of lust. Kamesha krodesha. If you don't fulfill desire, then krodh. So krodh means mode of ignorance, means hell. So one has to take total responsibility. It's a life of responsibility. Not just, nowadays people, they don't have a contract, no marriage. Girlfriend, boyfriend, साथ में रहो, ha ha ho ho hi, masti karo. That's not the life. As cats and dogs do that. There is no fun in that. And that's why Krishna had designed Grahastha ashram. It is Krishna's arrangement. Grahastha ashram is Krishna's arrangement. He himself is Grahastha. He is not sannyasi. He is a very intelligent person. And not only not one. He can do it. Every woman is his. We are all his. He is enjoying us. Eko bahunam yuvidadati kama. So, Grahastha means lots and lots of responsibility. I cope out. What I meant is at the age of 30, I just became master degree, professional engineer, certified, worked for 4 years, and that's it. This is not my piece of cake. So, my family, wife is good, she is very good. She is Sati. She is very elevated soul. She cooperated. Fantastic Grahastha life. You don't have to work like an ass in a company. You can become preacher Grahastha also. And the whole population will feed you very nicely. Even if you become Grahastha, you don't have to work hard like an ass under some makkichus. Vipale se vinu kripana duri jana chapala sukha lava lagire. Vipale se vinu kripana duri jana chapala sukha lava lagire. You don't have to work hard like an ass. Even if you are Grahastha, you can become preacher Grahastha. Many examples. You can become ideal preacher, ideal Grahastha preacher. Many in our society. So, Grahastha life means a life of responsibility. We have to take responsibility of ourselves first. That we remain totally Krishna conscious throughout our life. Then the responsibility of our wife. We have to make her totally Krishna conscious. We don't have to send her to work outside for another husband. She works in the office under some boss. Do this, do that. We didn't do this. Another husband. Wife is Gruhini. She remains in house and creates a beautiful culture. Beautiful culture, sanskar. Jayate Varna Sankar. Arjun says that if wife becomes corrupt, then unwanted progeny, wife and girlfriend will live together, sleep together, and create unwanted progeny. And unwanted progeny, Varna Sankar Praja, means all mankind will be finished. No any kind of culture. So the Grahastha must take total responsibility. What responsibility? Not Kutumba Bharananava. Responsibility of making oneself totally Krishna conscious and make wife totally Krishna conscious. Then children totally Krishna conscious. Very, very difficult. Very difficult. You can hardly make yourself Krishna conscious. Isn't it? Now you are taking responsibility of somebody else. You become Krishna. You telling me to become Krishna conscious? I'm already Krishna conscious. You're not doing this, you're not doing that. Go. Go to work. Problem. The marriage institution, Grahastha institution is a very pure institution. Pure. Old age, I have seen, I'm 72. I have seen my parents. Very Krishna conscious, cultured, social, society, rules, dharma, religious, totally religious. That's a culture, no doggies culture. Today, most of the India is into villages and good culture, Grahastha culture. So we have to take a responsibility. And for that, we have to do Kutumba Bharanenava. You have to become Ata Guru Kshetra Sutapta Vitar Janasya Mohoyam Aham Mameti Punsastriya Maithuni Bhavameta Punsastriya Maithun Bhav. If you cannot remain brahmachari, then you have to take religious. That's it. Let's see what happens. Punsastriya Maithuni Bhavameta Tayo Mitho Hruday Granthima. From that mitho, Hruday Granthi, Punsastriya Maithuni Bhav, male and female, they get attracted by sex desire. Punsastriya Maithuni Bhav, Eta. Tayo mitho, from that sex, Hruday Granthi. Tayo mitho Hruday Granthi ma. Dono ke hruday, both heart becomes melted and become one. Na so Raman, na ham Ramani. Tu na rahe, मैं ना रहूं. Old song is, you people are new. ये सॉन्ग नहीं सुना आपने? नहीं? ये राधा रानी बोलती है. राधा रानी ये संवाद है चैतन्य महाप्रभु और रामानंद. What is the sadhya? The varnashram, this. Then and Ramananda Rai quotes his own written poem, song. Radharani is saying, what is she saying? To her girlfriend or whoever, she is saying, पहले ही राग नयन भंग भेद. पहले ही राग नयन, हम दोनों के नयन मिले. हम दोनों के नयन क्या हुआ? ये तो भाई नजर का जाम है ना, नजर का जाम. हंसी तो फंसी. क्या है? हंसी तो क्या? कोई गर्ल अगर हंसती तो क्या हो जाती है? फंस जाती है ना. हंसी तो ये लोग नहीं बोलते. हंसी तो फंसी. राधारानी कहती हैं, क्या हुआ? हम दोनों की बाढ़, प्रेम की बाढ़ बनी. पहले ही राग नयन भंग भेद. हम दोनों के, कृष्ण राधा रानी के नयन मिले. राधा रानी बोल रही, पहले ही राग नयन भंग भेद. अनुदिन बादल आवन गेल. बाद में वो नयन मिले, हम दोनों के नयन मिले. और नयन मिलने में जो प्रेम कस की बाढ़ आई, प्रेम की क्या आई? बाढ़ आई. अनुदिन बादल आवन गेल, बाढ़ आई. बाद में क्या हुआ? अनुदिन बादल आवन गेल. ना सो रमण ना हम रमण. ना मैं रमणी रही, ना वो रमण रहा. कृष्ण रमण ना रहा, मैं रमणी नहीं रही. हम दोनों, हमारे दोनों का हृदय कैसे पीस गए, घिस मिल के ये हृदय एक प्रवाही हो गए और एक रूप हो गए. बादल लगे. ना सो रमण ना हम रमणी. दोहो दिल पेशल जान. पिस गए और एक बन गए. तू ना रहे, मैं ना रहूं, एक दूसरे में खो जाए. फिर सिनेमा का संग. ये बात ऐसा अगर पति पत्नी का ये हो जाए, आइडियल गृहस्थ लाइफ, आइडियल. थोड़ा चक्कर जरता रहता है बीच में कुछ ऐसा आइडियल लाइफ तो नहीं होगी. कुछ न कुछ होता रहेगा, होना ही. और होगा तो मजा आएगी गृहस्थ लाइफ. अगर नहीं होगा, मैं आपसे प्रेम करती हूँ, मैं आपसे प्रेम करता हूँ, और शांत कुछ कुछ मजा नहीं आता। दो पति पत्नी बहुत झगड़ते थे, बहुत झगड़ते थे। वो लोग प्रभुपाद जी के मिलने गए, तो कहते हैं प्रभुपाद जी को कि प्रभुपाद जी हमारे दोनों का बहुत झगड़ा होता है, बहुत झगड़ा होता है। तो प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं, हाँ झगड़ो, भरपेट झगड़ो, लेकिन वॉइस ऊंचा मत करो, वॉइस ऊंचा मत करो, डोंट रेज योर वॉइस। 6 महीने के बाद प्रभुपाद जी फिर से उनके शहर में गए, शिकागो, न्यूयॉर्क समथिंग। तो दोनों मिलने आए। प्रभु, ओ वेरी नाइस टू सी यू, हाउ आर यू? तो जैसे प्रभुपाद, वी आर ओके, सो प्रभुपाद, नाउ यू आर फाइटिंग? यस प्रभुपाद, लेकिन कुछ मजा नहीं आता, मजा नहीं आता, नो रेजिंग वॉइस, उसमें कुछ मजा नहीं आता, सब शांत हो गए, जीने का कोई चार्म नहीं रहा। So this is married life: fighting, biting, and shooting, lawsuit. गृहस्थ, आइडियल गृहस्थ लाइफ पढ़ेंगे अभी। समय कितने बजे हमें खत्म करना है? 1 बजे। तो समय तो हंसी में चला गया। Let's change the gear. Okay, serious. तो आइडियल गृहस्थ लाइफ, आइडियल गृहस्थ लाइफ का means that we must become totally Krishna conscious at every moment, first. And that's why we should become staunch brahmachari first. We should understand what is the responsibility of ourselves, and then taking others' responsibility. Grahastha means taking responsibility of wife, not wife is taking responsibility. Grahastha means he is taking total responsibility of wife and children. And what is that total responsibility? That I will take you back to home, back to Godhead. Mata na sasyat, pita na sasyat, janani na sasyat, deva na sasyat, guru na sasyat, tadapi na sameti mrityum, samupeti mrityum. If you cannot deliver your dependence from the wrath, from mrityu, if you cannot deliver them and take them back to home, back to Godhead, if you cannot deliver them from wrath of death, mrityu, in other words, if you cannot take them back to home, back to Godhead, then you should not become mother, father, demigod, guru. You should not become. You have to take that responsibility. So first, you have to learn how to swim. Then you can save others. That means you have to become totally Krishna conscious first. Then take a responsibility of make wife totally Krishna conscious. So that means you should take a Krishna conscious wife, less burden. But we say a brahmachari should not get married. And we say girls must get married. Ulta. Girls must get married. Brahmachari should not get married. Problem. So we have to take responsibility. Enter into Sadi.com. No illicit sex, no gambling, no eating, no intoxication. Initiated 16 rounds. Otherwise, if you get some karmi woman, you will have to train her from the beginning. Big problem. You can marry within our society. There are so many nice, beautiful, cultured, devotee wife you can get. The first recommendation is that you marry a devotee, no brahmachari. There is no word brahmachari. There is no brahmachari. Krishna conscious, good. So you can both practice together. Then within our society, there is some kind of ill thinking. Oh, we are married, we are both Krishna conscious, we are married, but why create children? Another sinful activity. A tree does not bear fruits, is not a tree. You must create Krishna conscious children. Grahastha, you must create Krishna conscious children. Another responsibility. Make children Krishna conscious. Very big task. Big task is to become Krishna conscious oneself. Then to make Krishna conscious wife. Then to make Krishna conscious children is next to impossible. Next to possible. Next to impossible. What? प्रभुपाद जैसे शुद्ध भक्त का अभी उनके वृंदावन करके उनके पुत्र हैं. He could have become worshipable like Prabhupada. I'm not finding fault with his children. I'm just saying. They could have become so much like Prabhupada, or we would have worshipped. Very big task to make children Krishna conscious. After 16, you wash your hand. Whatever is whatever. Anyway, half an hour is left. So ideal grahastha life means we have to take responsibility of ourselves and then responsibility of our wife, then our children. The ideal grahastha life we have to live. So let's read a little bit about ideal grahastha life. You can read, because I don't have to. I thought I'll read first, but I went into. So 7th canto, 14th chapter, ideal grahastha life. Who will read this in 1 month time? Okay, who will read this 30 times in 1 year? 1 year, you have to read this chapter 30 times. Who will do that? You don't want to become grahastha? You don't want to become grahastha? They will remain brahmachari. Okay, I bless you. I bless you. You become brahmachari, remain brahmachari forever. Bate. It will come out. Something will come out from your talk. Please converse with one another. Let's turn that into what do you call workshop. Let's turn this into workshop. What did you converse? It was very good. You was talking to each other, no? So that was good. Huh? Brainstorm. Workshop. So what did you talk? Tell me. Good workshop. What did you talk to one another?
We were talking, they are very fortunate.
That they are getting into grahastha life. She is benevolent to females. Very benevolent to. You didn't understand? Benevolent to females. She is a well-wisher of female. Girls. You still didn't understand. She is a female and she is trying to take a side of a female. She wants more young brahmachari to become grahastha.
We were appreciating because at the right time they are getting all this knowledge.
Okay, I was just joking. Okay. So what was in your workshop? What did you discuss? Actually, this is lifelong class, not 2 hours class. And that's why you have to make me a counselor, your counselor. We have ideal grahastha life. I move with my griha, whole graha, whole house. I go with You have to make me your counselor. You are your counselor, but he may be brahmachari, sannyasi, will not work. They have no experience. I'm joking with you. So ideal grahastha life means andar only Krishna. And bahar, I love you, honey. I love you. Andar, no honey. Andar Krishna. Ideal grahastha life means duplicitous. Ideal grahastha life means you have to become duplicitous. What is the duplicity? Inside, I only love Krishna, I love Krishna, I love Krishna. And out, I love you, my honey. I love my honey. I love my honey. I kiss you. I hug you. और अंदर से क्या करना है? I don't love you. I don't love you. That's what Narad Muni is teaching here. He is saying you have to become duplicitous. बाहर से I love you, and अंदर से I only love Krishna, nobody else. That's ideal grahastha life. You have to become duplicitous, and you will have to remain duplicitous. हमारा ध्येय, we have to keep focus. Our focus is Krishna, love of Krishna. That's our focus. Our focus is not I love honey or I love money. No honey, money. We have to love Krishna from within. And that's why so much recommendation for grahasthas. He must finish his rounds before he goes to work. That's the first duty of grahastha. Their breakfast. An ideal wife in ideal grahastha life must not work. Ideal, we are talking ideal now. We are talking about the ideal grahastha life means one must finish his round before he goes to work. Your first duty in a day is to chant your rounds, then breakfast. Then ideal grahastha must provide for his family. Must. That means he must become an ass. That means he must become an gada. He has to become gada. Minimum 8 hours business या minimum 8 hours नौकरी. मुझे चाकर राखो जी, मुझे नौकर राखो जी. प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं that certificate लेके डोर टू डोर जाना and what? Please make me your servant. Please make me your servant. विफल से विनु कृपण के पास जाना होगा. और कृपण क्या करेगा आपका? आपको 12 घंटे नौकरी करनी पड़ेगी. ओ 12 घंटे, ये डेडलाइन नहीं मिट की. You have to finish this. This is a deadline. You didn't do. You are fired. Oh, I'm fired. घर आएगा कैबेज हो जाएगा बेचारा. Anyway, joking. You must do your work. Minimum 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, and bus, no more. Otherwise, you are grihamaedi. If you work, प्रारब्ध में जो होगा वो आ जाएगा. 8 घंटे में कोई मिलियनर बन जाता है, 8 घंटे में कोई 8 अन्नी भी नहीं कमाता है ना. So do your honest. Prabhupada says you do your honest earning. We should earn honestly, not dishonestly. We should earn honestly. The ideal grahastha must earn honestly. Ideal grahasthas with his wife, husband and wife, they are taking vow on marriage day. Husband says, father says, my dear sir, please accept my daughter in charity. Kanyadan. None. So boy says, yes, I will accept. Then boy takes vow that in happiness and distress, I will always provide and take care of you, my dear wife. Wife takes oath. Yes, my dear Patidev, I will ever remain totally chaste to you throughout my life. Chaste, Sati, Devi, subservient. Ideal wife takes one and only one oath. What is that one oath? My dear Patidev, I will remain totally Sat Pratishat, 100% chaste to you and only you. You have money, no problem. You have no money, no problem. You are Rogist, you are Krodhi, you are Raksas, you are demon, doesn't matter. I am your subservient forever. That is a wife's duty. Wife have only one dharma, and that dharma is to serve her pati under all circumstances. Whether he is Sudama or he is big Raja, whether he is poor or pauper or richest, he is Rogist or he is demon. Wife's only duty is to serve her husband, and husband's duty is to provide, especially nice jewelry, nice earrings, nice good saris, provide good, provide food, provide children. Every single woman will have strong desire to have children. Strong desire. Prabhupada says, woman has one first child, and she becomes so much suffered, distressed, no more child. She says, no, this is last one, no more child. And again she will have child. And again she will have child. Woman means she wants children. That's why she is marrying him. And now the maniac trend is boyfriend, girlfriend kind of living. No children. Women will never be happy. If you want to please a woman, give her child and give her lots of nice saris and lots of nice gold ornaments. Woman is totally happy. If you don't do this, your marriage is broken. Your marriage is broken. And every day you have to tell her, I love you, my honey. Every day, but you have to increase one more mantra, Maha Mantra. One more Maha Mantra. I tell my wife every single day, I love you, my honey. She is not here? Good, bach gaya. Bach gaya. You have to tell her, I love you, my honey. And in sincere way, you have to, I love you, my honey. That's the first mantra you chant in a day. What is that first mantra? शर्म आ रहा है लोग और शादी करने जा रहे हैं. That's the first Maha Mantra. You have to. So another thing is, in a marriage life, husband and wife, they will have quarrel. But resolve that before you sleep again together. Resolve your difference of opinion before you sleep. You will have difference. You will have fighting, biting, everything. But resolve that before you go to bed. Another slogan. I'm giving you mantra now because mantra, sutra, Vedanta Sutra. Then you will have to elaborate. in your life. The first mantra I gave you is what? The first Vedanta Sutra is what? I love. That is the first mantra you chant in a day. Vice versa. What is the second mantra? You go to bed, before you go to bed, you have to resolve your difference of fighting. Third mantra is when you fight, take water in your mouth and don't release it until you finish your fight. The fourth mantra is try to listen one another. Don't try to talk. In other words, Guhyam Akhyati Prachati. Whatever she says, you hear sincerely. And whatever you say, your wife should hear sincerely, seriously. Make other partner talk more and more and more and more and inspire other partner to talk to you. Don't cut. Don't stop that one. Don't stop his or her talking. Let her or let him reveal his heart. Bring out everything. And you bring out everything from her, his heart. Yes, yeah, yeah, you're right. Yes. Yeah, yeah, really inspire to talk to you. Then he or she will give you solution of the problem. That's a solution. And you just do that. Then peaceful, blissful situation. Peaceful, blissful situation. But anger means I am right and I want to talk. Shut up. You shut up. No shut up. Let other person talk to you. Reveal his mind. And Dadati Pratigunati I said, bring her lots of jewelry and lots of groceries. What? Isn't it? No? Anyway, they are devotee wife. But if you marry devotee wife, 90% of your problem is solved. Hopefully. It's not so. Even if you marry devotee wife, you're going to get it. You're going to get it. I have seen devotee divorce also. Nice devotees. Both are right. Prabhupada says woman is good and man is also good. But when they come together, they are both bad. They're both bad. So, Dadati, give lots of groceries, lots of money. A woman always wants and needs security. Her security is not you. Your security is your money. Her security is not you. What is her security? Huh? Honey's security is money. That's why every woman is afraid. Oh, ये तो साधु बन जाएगा, बाबा बन जाएगा, मेरा क्या होगा, बच्चों का क्या होगा? So security, dadati, pratigunati. And she will give you only one thing, food, nice, palatable. She will give you two things for your indriya, senses. And that's good. And that's what you want. Otherwise, why get married? You want nice sense gratification. She will give you all sense gratification. Divine way. Divine way. So that's dadati pratigunati. You give her, she will give you. Nice cultural children, nice culture in the house, nice devotion in the house, nice worth living, ideal family life. She can create. But you will have to train her. You will have to train her. women have lesser brain than a man. I can say this in India, not in America, not in Europe. That's a woman body, not soul. Woman soul, man soul is same, equal opportunity. But the body has different constitution, thinking, feeling, willing, emotions, different. Dadati Padikun Guni Maka Puchati, Bhungte Bojaiti. She will give you Sundar Samosa, Kachori, Rasagulla, Gulab Jamun. Make her go into YouTube and learn every single prep. And she will and can satisfy your desires. So never sleep without mitigating your differences. You have to mitigate your differences. Hear out each other. Hear out. Provide each other. Communicate at every level during the day. Communication. The minute you break your communication, you are finished. You have to communicate for every single thing. My wife, I communicate with her for every small little thing. We are communicating. Isn't it? No? Every little thing. You have to communicate. You have to put Krishna in the center of life. That is, we already give whole lecture on that. Last 5 minutes. Do's and don'ts in marriage life. Do's and don'ts. Never put your partner under the bus. A friend in need is friend indeed. Always help one another. What is your help? Why to help one another? To progress in Krishna consciousness. Helping means I am trying to reach out my camera and I cannot reach. Then you come and bring camera closer to me. That is help. Whatever I am doing, my wife should help me in whatever I am doing, not something different than what I am doing. Cooperation. Cooperative spirit. In happiness and distress, there is no question of this divorce. This is a vow in marriage life. So one has to cooperate, help each other. So never put anybody under the bus. In other words, somebody is trying to do something and he is not able to. And you think that, he will never able to, and he is doing wrong, and just hell with it, and he do something different. No, help him out. Maybe it is wrong, but he will understand. He will understand. In other words, become one with one another. Help one another. That doesn't mean that you have to do pots and laundry, put diaper on your children, and not that kind of thing. Wife has to do that. But to help one another in the sense that in your duties, you have to cooperate with one another. Cooperate. Anyway, I have last 5 minutes. I'll open floor for question and answer. I could have given you so much. It's a big subject matter that you chose for me. Yes, Mia?
When the husband start breaking the regulatory principle and start not taking the responsibility, then what the wife should?
Wife should not think that he is not taking responsibility, is nonsense, is this, is that. Even though he is Ravana, he should become Mandodari, Sati. Any other question? Yes. Next question? Yes.
You told about branding inside the community of ISKCON, and you also talked about Varnasangha. So what exactly Varnasangha means? Because if somebody is from a born Brahmin family and the devotee is not from a Brahmin family, you cannot understand that parents said, you are Varnasangha and whatever. So what is this like?
You can make her Brahmani, you can make her Vaishya, you can make her Sudrani. Woman is not Varnasrama. Woman is not Kshatriyani or Brahmani. Woman is not Brahman Vaishya, Kshatriya or Sudra. Woman is neutral. Woman is neutral. Woman marries to Kshatriya becomes Kshatrani. Parjanya Maharaj married two wives. One Kshatrani, one Vaishyani, Vaishya. So from Vaishya Nand Maharaj came, Vaishya wife, and Kshatriya wife Sursen came. You understand? So wife is neutral. She is not. She will become whatever you become. Another question, yes? If you...
That way, are we not duplicious? If we do internal, we are not loving her, and externally, we are saying, I love you, I love you.
So that is duplicity.
Duplicious nature.
That is duplicity. Yes, it is.
So the other partner will feel that if he is duplicious, so she will feel bad.
Yeah, but duplicitous about good thing is good. So, we are duplicitous within Krishna. But you feel good this way, then please have that. But within Krishna, not you. So, duplicity about good thing is good. Any other question? Yes.
Guruji also talked about making the wife Krishna conscious. If she's gone from the so if she's following some other things which are not in line with ISKCON or something different, should we marry or not first thing? And if we marry, how to make it go proper?
So first, if you are very dead serious, then you don't marry her. And if you are not serious, and if you are serious and you want to marry her, then first make her neutral. What? Make her neutral. Then slowly and gradually bring her on your side. So you have to be very careful. Don't play with your life, don't play with her life, and become dead serious about Krishna. First thing first or last thing first? What is the first thing? That's it. You got it. Any other question? Yes? ISKCON? In ISKCON, Vanaprastha is not much defined. Now they are trying. They have defined little bit last meeting, GBC meeting, a little bit. How it defined? We are the definition. In ISKCON right now, we are the definition of Vanaprastha. Walking Vanaprasthas. Walking, talking Vanaprasthas. How can we have confidence that Krishna will protect us in Grihastha life? Being a good devotee. He gave billions of times he gave promise. Tadarbi bibarmiham. Yoga kshemam vahamiham. Ananyas chintayanto mam. He is liar. You think Krishna is liar? Name bhakta. You think he is liar? Tadarpi bibarmiham. बिबर्मी का अर्थ है भरण पोषण करना. ता मन मनस्का मदगत प्राणा तदर्पि विधर्मी. मद अर्थ है त्यक्त दैहिका. For me, they have left everything, gopis. They have left everything. Only me. Tadarpi bibarmi. For those kind of devotees, I myself provide, protect myself. Tesaham aham samuddarta mrityu sansar bhavami maya avesita. I become swift deliverer. I do for them. I be for me. I yoga kshema. I do. Personally I do. He will do. And he is doing. And he has not done for one. He has done this for unlimited. Yes, I can tell you that he has done for me. We left job. Only 4 years job plus. And Tadarvi he is even providing now. So he will provide for you, don't worry. You have to have a lot of faith, Mataji says. Any other question? Yes?
Like you were explaining about externally we should love our life and internally we should have love for Krishna. But it means when we marry a Krishna conscious girl, so she is also a devotee. And we learn about respect amongst devotees. So we should also have the treatment towards her like a devotee, right?
You don't treat her as a devotee. You treat her as your wife, no devotee. Otherwise, it will be mixed dharma and it will spoil everything. You treat her as your wife. She treats you as a husband, as Krishna. She treats you only one God, that is you. And you treat her as your chaste, if she is chaste, wife. You treat her as wife. Any other question?
You told that we should have love for Krishna internally and outside we have to show like we should love. So first thing is that first we have to prepare ourselves that we have enough love for Krishna before going to Krishna life. Or if we have enough love for Krishna, then it's much more.
Or we have? Yeah, catch 22, isn't it? Because you cannot control your senses. That's why you have to marry wife.
So what is the meaning of that love for Krishna? What is that level of love that we have?
Developing love means sunyaitam jagat sarvam. Mere to giridhara gopa. Bhai chadaya, bandhu chadaya. Man mana bhavat bhakta, ta man manaska. I don't want anybody, anything, honey, money, gar, tyaktva, turna, mashesha, mandalapati, sanim, sadatu chavat. Then you don't have to marry. You have no aspiration for anything else. Only Krishna. But here you are mixed. You want sense gratification as well as Krishna. Then you should get married. And then practice slowly and gradually. We are not totally Krishna conscious yet. And we are after sense gratification. Then marry. And if you have sense gratification zero, then you become hero. No marriage. Sannyas. Go back to home, back to God. You save all trouble. Our question? ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की श्रील प्रभुपाद की